Derpy's iPad repair. Whoa. Okay, almost done. I'm winning so far. Honk, honk. Oh no! I'll just leave it here and try to win later. Okay. I'm a burglar. Ooh, crack. Oh no! I'll just leave it here as it is and worry later. Okay.
My iPad! Oh wait, there's a note! Come to Derpy's iPad repair shop to fix this. Okay, to the repair shop.
I swear I'll kill you if I don't get my iPad back right now. It's not done yet. Welcome to Derpy's iPad repair shop. What can I do for you? Fix this. Come back in a couple days. I think there's a thief in there. I've been waiting 6 days for my iPad. Oh man. Jeez.
Well, we'll get them back now for sure. Right, Shirley? Derpy's not all that bad.
Your iPads aren't done yet. Then what's going on back there? I see it! That's my iPad! You thief! How dare you spill my secret? I'll get them back for sure now. Well, Derpy, you are a weird, crazy, lunatic numbskull. Bang your head on the counter right now to knock yourself out. Literally!
Well, that was easy.